family? Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. You all know by the title, we are talking about the new Kayali Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar. And hold up. People were saying, sis, are you getting this? Okay, let's just go straight to the packaging part of it. Did you all see the bottle? The bottle. What's wrong with me? Did you all see the packaging? This beautiful bottle. Of course, I was going to get this just for the packaging alone. And you all know I normally don't do that. But I could not resist this iridescent looking on like purple. It looks like it has purple juice in it, but it's iridescent. The bottle alone, yes, I was getting this. And yes, I was getting the big bottle. And yes, I stayed up to 3 o'clock in the morning. I don't know why. Don't ask me. I just don't want it to be that release, and that's the release that sells out real quick. It hasn't happened every time I stayed up at 3 o'clock in the morning. It is, okay, let's bypass that. Okay, it's not about me. It's about this one. It's about the new Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar. And let's get into it. I do have some thoughts. I have worn this, so this is not a first impression. You all heard this from, I'm sure, many others, but I just wanted to give my 2 cents, okay? Let's get into it. So first, let's talk about versatility. Do I think this is a versatile scent? I wouldn't say this is a versatile scent. It's definitely playful and fun, but it doesn't give me, versatility, like that you can wear this, with the office or a really important meeting. I feel like this is like after the office, okay? This is like happy hour. This is just chilling with your girlfriend, chilling with your boo thing. To me, this is very easy reach, easy going. But does this perform and give it a big punch? Well, let's talk about it more, okay? Let's talk about occasion. Okay, so when I first got this and started wearing this, it gave me, I don't know if you all know this show, but it was called Once Upon a Time. I love that show. I think it's on Netflix now. If you wanted to kind of grab a hold, it's a series. So anybody that loves like Once Upon a Time type of like Cinderella, Pinocchio. So like the evil queen, if you like Belle, my favorite character is Belle. So if you like a good fantasy, Once Upon a Time, this is what this scent gave me. It definitely gave me that I was in a fantasy world. I was living my best life, fun and free, very Tinkerbell. That's what this scent does. And I'm going to spray it just because I want to. But it gave me just this fantasy type of scent. Now, when you spray this initially, I don't know if it was just me. Well, let's go over the notes because you all know I go left, right, up, down. Let's stick to the plan. Okay, girl. Stick to the plan. Okay. So key notes, we have candy pear. We have sweet violet, bubblegum. We have white caramel, rock sugar, and vanilla cream. Okay. When I initially first spray, I don't know if it's just me, but I got Fanta grape soda. I don't know if I'm on this fancy kick, but I got grape soda. I got a little grape soda in the atmosphere, but I wasn't put off. I was like, oh my gosh, this is cool. This is fun. But when I say that bubblicious bubble gum, that bubble gum came through. She said, here, she's here for it. She has showed up. What do you want me to do? So I think that you have to love, one, you would have to like a very playful fragrance, right? you would also have to enjoy the scent of bubblegum, okay? And to me, I get a little grape soda. I'm just sorry. I get a little grape. And I'm not saying because it's purple. It just give me a little grape. Grape soda is what I said. But it is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Let's keep going. So let's talk about pricing. So pricing was about $138. I did purchase from the site. I did mention, when you purchase from the site, if you are not new to Huda Beauty, if you are new, I'm still let you know. But you get points for your purchases. So I normally purchase from the site. I don't know. I just love supporting her and directly from her site. And so that's what I do. But you can get it from Sephora and get your points from there. But I had used my points. So Sephora wasn't going to help me. So, you can always shop from the site and that be your backup in case you do use your points. I know that there are some people out there that save their points. I know people go to the counter and they're like, do you want to use your points? You're like, oh no, I just want to save it. Okay, girl, that's cute. That just ain't my story. Okay, that could be your story and that's fine. And we still family and it is what it is. But that ain't my story. I'm going to use my points. Okay, and so for the Sephora sale, what did I do? Use my points. Because I told you all before, if you go to the Sephora code, you can use your points and get your 20% off. Yeah. Anyway, so back to Huda Beauty. Okay, so I purchased from the site because I used some points and got a good discount, okay? Anyway, let's talk about the cooling, okay? I feel this is a cool-hearted fragrance, and what I mean by cool, it gives me with that vanilla, when that vanilla sits in there, it gives it like a cooling sensation. And it just is like cool girl, cool school girl. I don't know. It just gives me this cool-hearted fantasy type of fragrance. Now, I will say, the streets were talking. I was peeking, but I wasn't all up in the peak, It's still my thoughts. But some of you all were saying this smells like La Belle. And I was like, really? Okay. And I don't mind La Belle. So I was cool with that. I was like, okay, if that's all, cool. But when I sniff, I get your vibe. We on the same page. Okay, I get it. I get why this kind of reminds you of La Belle by Jean Paul Gaultier. I get it. I get that type of scent. But when I say it's a little bit more fluffier to me. I get the La Belle DNA, but it's a little bit more fluffier, a little bit more playful. A little bit more candy-like. It doesn't sit at La Belle and just oh, well, because I have La Belle, I can't get this. I don't get that. If you get that, cool, but I didn't get that. Now, is this leaning more feminine or more masculine? Definitely, I'm sorry, brothers. I'm so sorry, brothers. I'm sorry. But this definitely leans more feminine, fun, and free to me. But again, sir, auntie, if you like a good sweet candy-like fragrance, absolutely, okay? And because it has pear, you all know how I'm about pear. I was about to get the big bottle. Who are you talking to? Absolutely. So I have enjoyed. Now, did I get any compliments? There was one time I got a compliment, but I would say it was because of a layering combination that I will disclose. But by itself, did I get compliments? I did not. I didn't get any compliments. So it does sit a little bit closer to skin. I did overspray. But when I initially sprayed, if I were to spray, go out, I think I would get compliments. So after 4 or 5 hours, it sits closer to skin. I would definitely say that. But let's go to the combination that was speaking loud, that was projection. Okay, honey, I paired this with Minnie Mouse from House of Siage. When I say the compliments were overflowing down, it was so good. I smelled like a candy marshmallow. I got so many compliments from co-workers. Like, this is the combination to wear. I highly would recommend you get these and put them together. Or if you have them, put them together, sis. This is a good one. But overall, this scent, am I mad about this purchase? I am not. I really enjoy this. I enjoy the packaging so much, but I really enjoy this fragrance, especially during this season, spring, summer. I think this is a winner. Miss Mona, you've done it again, girl. Okay. But I absolutely love that we have a fun fragrance in the family, and it has vanilla, and you smell like candy. And. Okay, this is amazing. I would highly recommend you get your hands on Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar. This is absolutely one to put in your collection, sis. All right? That's all, family, on my thoughts on the new Kayali fragrance. What were your thoughts? Okay, did you purchase it? Were you like, nah, I'm not gonna get it. No, it's not for me, sis. I would love to know either way. You had wonderful experiences and maybe not so much. I would just love to know. Make sure you give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. If you enjoyed this content, please give me the thumbs up so other people can see. Yo, girl. Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.